How many people are directors of both company K and company R? And so notice that if we want the directors that are directors of both companies, this would be the overlap in a Venn diagram, the overlap region. So statement number 1 tells us that there were 17 directors present at a joint meeting of companies K and company R. No directors were absent. So that means that all of this put together, the entire content of both circles, equals 17. Well, that by itself does not allow us to figure out how much overlap there is. So that statement by itself is insufficient. Now moving on to statement number 2, forget statement number 1 and focus only on statement number 2. Statement number 2, we're told that K has 12 directors. So this circle, this first circle, has 12 directors. And R, this circle, has 8 directors. And so then there's some overlap between the 8 and the 12, but we have no way of knowing. The overlap could be anything from 1 to 8. So we have no way of knowing what the overlap is. And so this statement by itself is insufficient. Now, if we combine the two statements, statement number 1 and statement number 2, well, now it gets kind of interesting, because now we know in this K circle, we have 12 people. So there's 12 people in that whole circle. Well, that means that outside of the circle, since there's 17 total, that means there must be 5 in this region here, the region of R that is outside of K. And so what that would mean is that since there are 8 in R, there would be 3 here, and just checking to make sure this makes sense, K has 12, so if there are 3 in the overlap region, there must be 9 here, and if we add this up, 9 plus 3 plus 5, that does add up to 17. So this does check out. If we combine the information, then we do have enough information to figure out the overlap region. And the overlap region, those are the people that are directors of both company K and company R. We have sufficient information to answer the question when the statements are combined. Answer choice C.